Let's view the out-of-the-box theme options. From the View tab, click the drop-down arrow and view the different out-of-the-box theme options. You can click a view to see how the different elements change depending on which theme you choose. You can also customize the current theme. This goes for themes that you're using out of the box or ones that you've imported. You can navigate through the different pane options for names and colors, text, background, wallpaper, and filter options to further customize your theme. Once you're done, you click Apply, and you can see the way those options look now. If you notice that there's still some customizing you'd like to do, you can go back to the Customize Theme option and update some more pieces. Maybe you want to apply a different font family, or you need to update the size of the titles or the cards and KPIs. From the View tab, you can also click Theme Gallery, and that will take you out to Power BI's Community Gallery. You can view different pieces that are already created. If you like one, you can click View and scroll down to the bottom and download the JSON file for this. And then you can import that into your current report and follow the same customizing options if you'd like to. Alternatively, you can use the Power BI Tips theme generator, themes.powerbi.tips. Here you can add specific colors, and you can even use the Properties panel to further give detail and define your theme aspects and download to import into your Power BI report. You get to save your theme once you get to a good place. From the View tab, click the drop-down and choose Save Current Theme. Happy theming!